So I'm back once again, and this time, as it says in the description, a King Junior meal. So that's the kids' meal out of Burger King, right? So it would have been €5. I got the chicken nugget meal, and that €5 would have got me 4 chicken nuggets. So for 45 cents extra, I chose to get 6. So what you got here was 6 chicken nuggets, 5 onion rings, can of orange juice, a Thai, and a piece of pineapple. That comes to $5.45. They gave me 2 bags here, so yeah. That's the box, a little bit mangled. Get me some napkins. That's the people. Well, they gave me 3 ketchups. That was for them. Very generous. McDonald's makes you pay for these. So normally, sometimes Burger King does too. I got 4 ketchup. In the other bag, I have the piece of pineapple. It's supposed to be frozen. Not really frozen anymore, but it's still cold. Can of juice. Now that is actually cold. See, 0 sugar, unfortunately. Wouldn't normally get 0 sugar drinks, but there you go. What else? Oh, and I got 3 more ketchups. Yeah, 7 ketchups in total. I never got that much out of anyway. Trying to keep some of it off. Yeah. There, this box open. You have here. So there's the nuggets. You have the onion rings, all very greasy, the bags. See what the Thai they gave me is. I don't know, like this, it's like a Sonic the Hedgehog, but it's a female version of it. I don't know, maybe that's his daughter or something, or his girlfriend, who knows. That's what it is anyhow, whatever that's called, that's the Thai. Alright, try the onion rings first. That one's bent for some reason. Not bad. Yeah, not great, not terrible. Now, the chicken nuggets. They're a bit dry. Yeah, very dry. They're usually not. They're usually not like that. I actually had chicken nuggets in Spain before that were even better than the McDonald's ones. So I'm going to try it with a bit of ketchup on it and see is that better. Yeah, well, I'm sure it'll make it better. Yeah, they don't give you any special dipping sauce. That's maybe why they give you so much ketchup. So it's a little bit more expensive than McDonald's, and I'd say McDonald's meal is better. This is not as good. Yeah, them chicken nuggets really do need sauce, they're too dry. So far it's not as good as the Happy Meal. Now let's try this thing. That's what it looks like anyhow. Yeah, it says pineapple stick, so we'll see. I have to spill it everywhere. Yeah, it tastes okay. Not bad. If you're having them dry chicken nuggets, you probably need that. Now finally this drink. I've tried this juice before, it's actually not bad. Not great, but it's okay. It's okay, the juice. like I say, up to 401 subscribers now. Hopefully, in the new year, I finally get up to 500 after a grueling few years. Not really a grueling few years, but a few years making these videos. And they took that now. And finally, I'm going to get a decent microphone I've ordered. And hopefully that'll be coming in the next week. So I don't have to keep shouting into the phone like a maniac. You can probably barely hear me anyway. That's it. Not as good as McDonald's. So if you're going to get a kids meal, get the Happy Meal. The Burger King one, not as good. That's it. There's nothing more to say about it.